Your router can do a lot more than hand out Wi-Fi. Once it's set up, every phone, TV, and console on your Wi-Fi stays protected automatically. You don't have to think about extra apps or device limits ever again, since using a VPN on your router only counts as one device. ExpressVPN offers its own custom firmware that replaces your router's regular control panel with a much easier one built from the ground up for VPN use. With it, you can switch between servers in seconds, see which devices are connected, and even decide which ones should use the VPN and which ones shouldn't. For example, you could keep your smart TV connected through ExpressVPN for streaming, while your work laptop stays on the regular connection. This version of ExpressVPN firmware also runs on the Lightway protocol by default, which gives you faster speeds and quicker reconnects compared to OpenVPN. To check if your router is compatible, visit expressvpn.com/setup and look under the router section. If your model is listed here, then you can download the firmware and follow the guided installer right from this page. The interface is going to walk you through the entire process, so you don't have to dig through advanced settings or import files manually. Now, once your VPN is set up and running, there's a few small tweaks that can make a big difference in performance. First, if you ever notice slower speeds, try connecting to a server that's physically closer to you. The shorter the distance, the faster the connection usually is. Next, make sure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause random drops or slowdowns even when your VPN is working just fine. Now, if you're streaming or gaming, you can also test ExpressVPN's Lightway protocol inside the router app or firmware. It's designed to keep speeds high and maintain stable connections, especially if you have a lot of devices online at once. And one more tip, if you ever lose internet access after activating the VPN, just deactivate the profile, check your login credentials, and reconnect. In most cases, this is just a temporary handshake issue. The setup locks down your entire network, keeps your data private, and even lets you access content from anywhere in the world. If you're planning to upgrade or want to compare options, then be sure to check out our updated guide on the best VPNs for routers specifically. It covers tested models, speed results, and reliable alternatives to ExpressVPN. You can check that out using the link down below, but if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to VPN Mentor, and I'll see you in the next video.